Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering the key questions about Facebook ads and how they can help your business reach more people, generate leads, and grow smarter. Let's jump in. What are the benefits of advertising on Facebook? Facebook ads come with some powerful advantages. Wide reach, with over 2.8 billion active users. Precise targeting, based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Cost-effective options, great for any size business. Diverse ad formats, like images, videos, and carousels to capture attention. How can Facebook ads help my business grow? Facebook ads can boost your brand visibility, generate more leads and sales, drive engagement through likes, comments, and shares, and provide detailed performance data to help you optimize every campaign. Why is ad targeting on Facebook so effective? Because it's smart. Facebook lets you target by demographics, like age, gender, and lifestyle. Interests and behaviors, based on what users do online. Custom audiences, using your existing customer lists or website traffic. And lookalike audiences, to find new people similar to your best customers. How much does it cost to advertise on Facebook, and how do I manage the budget? It's flexible. You can set a daily or lifetime budget. Choose manual bidding or let Facebook optimize automatically. And use analytics to monitor and adjust your budget and strategy over time. You stay in control with smart tools to make your investment count. Curious about launching your own Facebook ads? We're here to help. Reach out through our website or explore the next video in this playlist for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.